student here, they have done a wonderful job in city of Baroda and maybe around the central Gujarat. And I really congratulate those who has worked as a DMLT program and those who have worked in the Corona time. Let me tell you, when I was not a president of BJP, that is before November 2020, I used to be a dean of a medical college. And that was the only medical college in the central Gujarat which was identified as a dedicated COVID hospital. And we had more than 700 COVID positive patients from 20th March 2020. And till November, I was instrumental in handling this patient. And as every one of us knows that Corona is something which was not known to everyone. And everybody was not knowing that how we should deal with the Corona. And everybody was afraid, even the healthcare workers. And this was the time where we needed healthcare worker most. The one who were very close contact with the healthcare, with the patient. And this was the group of either the nursing professionals or those who are in the laboratory services. And I'm happy to say that the students from your university, along with the students of many other university, they worked day in, day out. They worked even without knowing that how this disease is going to kill them or how this disease is going to make them unhappy. Still, everybody worked for the cause of the nation, for the cause of the patient. And the first wave we could finish in period of 3 months time. During this period, even the PPE kit was something which was not being available in the initial days. Even which type of the gloves we have to wear, nobody was knowing. And still, every laboratory professional went to the patient. They collected the blood sample. They collected the sample from the nose. They collected the sample from the buccal mucosa. They collected the sample from the throat. And not only collecting the sample, but nobody knows that how to send this sample from the patient to the laboratory, which most of the time they have done. In the laboratory, new equipments were used because RT-PCR was something which was very new. And we never had a kits. Initially, 48 hours was the usual time to get the report. And during that period, patient was supposed to be in the hospital. And over a period of time, when we had a new technology and with the RT-PCR, we could get the result earlier. Still, those who were found positive, they were in the hospital for 7 days to 14 days time. And during this period, every single lab professional had to go to the patient for not less than 3 times in a day, because we were not knowing that what could be the D-dimer of the patient. Even we were not knowing that what could be the CRP of the patient. Understanding the disease was a 1-year job. And during this period, every single healthcare professional has worked excellent. And this is the right time to felicitate them, because every one of us know that we are preparing for the 3rd wave also. So we finished our 2nd wave just a couple of days before, because it was started in 15th of April in the city of Baroda in state of Gujarat. And that was for the first time that we understood that even the oxygen is more important than the medicine most of the time. So the healthcare worker who has worked relentlessly for the entire year, I congratulate them, not only as a citizen of Baroda, not only as a political leader of Baroda, but as a healthcare professional, because I was one of them. And I was a Corona warrior till I got this opportunity to serve the party as a city president in Baroda. This was the time when the family was not with the students, or family was not with the healthcare professional. Even the family had pressurized them to leave the job, because the money, what we give them, a small honorarium or small apprenticeship stipend, that was not enough to take care of them. The government was not even ready initially to take care of their insurance. Nobody was knowing that by chance, if the healthcare worker has this Corona, then who is going to bear the cost of the treatment? Still, everybody worked. And I'm very happy to mention that the team at Baroda, we had more than 14,000 patients and indoor patients in a different hospital. More than 50% of these indoor patients out of 14,000, 7,000 were in the government hospitals. And this student, they have done wonderful job as a part of this team of taking care of the Corona. And at the outset, I congratulate them. I mention that they are the real Corona warriors, because they were with the patient all the time. And they have done the best job, because they were the one who were supposed to decide that whether the patient is RT-PCR positive or negative. And their one small letter or one sentence a positive or negative, is going to change the entire world of the patient. And they have done everything ethically, legally, whatever best was possible with the list of equipment, whatever we have. And I'm happy to mention that your team of Avni and the entire professional team, even there are a couple of pathologists who were there, who helped them, making them understand that how the RT-PCR works. And the team has worked very good, and I congratulate them, and I wish that they continue working even in the third wave, and they keep their spirit, because health is something where health and education are the two components of the life, where you never think about what you are gaining out of it, but the blessings of the patient or something is going to give you a better life. So I congratulate them. I congratulate the Team Lee Skill University, and thank you, Avni Madam, to giving me this opportunity. Thank you.